YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you today. And for my little mini vacation in Dallas, we're going to be reviewing this Tolaccea travel garment bag. As I said, I'm taking off for Dallas in a couple hours. I want to try out this Tolaccea travel garment bag. It features a 15-liter dry and wet isolation layer, which can hold wet clothes and towels. The top roll design allows for quick access to clothes. It can be expanded when folded. It has a waist bag, it can store a mobile phone, small items. So this can also hold my laptop. My laptop's pretty big. You can actually wear this as a backpack, or you can have it as like a strap over your shoulder. So we're going to show that too. And it has a breathable back on it. It shows you the width, height, and depth. I checked JetBlue because that's what I'm going to be flying with in a couple hours, and this actually fits their dimensions. It's a bag too, so kind of squish in if you need it to. Key features: garment pocket. Again, it's flexible. It goes from 45 liters to 55 liters. There's a large dry wet pocket. Dual tech compartments for a laptop and tablet. I'm going to be using both of those. There's also a separate storage bag inside of it, which I'm probably going to take out, but they do give you a separate bag if you want to store something in a bag to get out easy. And there's multiple carrying modes on this. It comes with straps. You could expand it as much as you need. There's also shoulder bag mode. It has a strap that comes with it. It's actually pretty comfortable if you want to store garments, if you're going on a quick trip. If you just wanted to get on the plane, have like a business suit, maybe one little change of clothes, you could do it. So they tell you the capacity here, which is one suit plus one shirt, or one suit and two dresses for ladies. It folds up and it actually opens up as like a garment pocket. You also have more space in there too. Backpack mode, you can expand it. And it tells you that you can also do the hand carry luggage mode. There's a strap in the middle for that. Finally, they're going to tell you that it has a chest strap. That'll take some weight off your shoulders if you have this thing packed up. Breathable back panel. It's all padded back there. So it has a whistle, a safety whistle if you need it. Let's take a look at this. I have this set up with the shoulder strap. I'm probably going to turn it into a backpack. But what it has is it has this little metal clip here. You just push it in and it goes through like this molly strap type system. So you can even adjust where the shoulder strap sits. You can have it higher up or lower. Same thing on the other side. It's got like molly strap type things, and you just put it through one hoop that you want. There's a little strap here that just pops out. So you just bend this in like so, then you pop it off the top and it'll slide right out. You do that with the other side as well. And that will take off the shoulder strap, which I'm probably going to do now, because again, I'm going to wear this as a backpack. And to put it back on, you just have it around the loop, push this stuff in, and have that metal piece go in to that little groove there. You got padding on the shoulder strap, which feels really good. The top pocket here, there are straps here, so you could even like bundle stuff on the outside. That keeps it so that you can adjust this and make the bag as short width as possible as you need it. It does expand, and it also goes down. You have your wet dry section here. And the cool thing is they kind of tell you what it is. So you could put your wet clothes here. Let's say they have a bathing suit, because you brought one, more shoes. You can put it right here. This is aluminum. That way it's not gonna let the wetness inside your bag. It also has a little air vent right here, a little pocket right here. If you wanna store the shoulder strap in there, and that way you can turn it into a shoulder bag if you needed to. You can carry it as a bag like this too, with the handle. Beneath this strap, once we undo that, there's this little zipper here. This is to expand the bag in width, so that you can make it go out a little bit longer. It has a pocket right here as well. Put easily access stuff here. Has a pocket on the inside to hold stuff, maybe a passport, stuff like that on the side. We get to the main compartment back here. So there's a zipper right here for this compartment, and this is more of your bag. Here's the included bag that they give you. Put shoes or something in it. It has a vent there too. Small little vent to let things dry out if you needed to. Also has another zipper here to even store more stuff in there. Inside that compartment where that bag was found, you have your garment pocket. This opens up all the way so that you can extend this and fold up your suit in there like it shows. Or you could just put things in layers too, so that way you can organize within the bag. Then you would roll it up really carefully. There's a place for a hanger right here that will let you roll up the suit nice and neat. We also have two huge pockets here for accessories. Huge pocket, well thought out. You can still put even more garments here. I'm gonna put a couple clothes right there, but this thing has a lot of space. And I like that they compartmentalize it and they tell you exactly what to use it for. It's a backpack that can be used as a easy carry-on for clothes and luggage and stuff. There's another pocket below that over here, and that's your tech pocket. Put your laptop in here, and then this is where the tablet goes. You have more ports here for power supplies and stuff like that, and a place to hang your keys. This is everything I need. This is definitely for the serious traveler. Here's your luggage strap, so you can put it on the top of your luggage like so. You can also take that and open that up because that's where you store backpack straps when you're not using them. So we'll be using them. Here's the chest strap. You got a whistle for security. It's reflective right here. So if you're on the road with things, you can do that. It has a carry around tag there. It also has a nice upper handle here to carry on to as well. Same type of connections here. You have these nice lockable things. You just push it on the ends there. Pops out, and then you're gonna put the strap through here and bend it in and close that metal thing on it, and now it's a backpack. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Locks in, very, very secure, and it is plastic here, but it's a very thick plastic, so I think it's gonna survive. And then you got the chest strap here. So we're gonna try this out on my trip to Dallas. I'm gonna pack this up, and I'm gonna show you how I packed it up. My laptop's huge, so if you have a normal size laptop, that strap will go down, but this isn't gonna go down. It does fit in there. I have a power supply. I have to use this Wi-Fi dongle. And then I have another power pack on the side in that easy access pocket right here. Power pack fits right in there. And you just have the cable come out of here and you're fine. And again, I'm not really using that portion, but I did put my sneakers in this bag. So you can take that out. And then I have my shorts and a shirt in there. And honestly, there's more space for more stuff if you had to. I just put the shirt and shorts in the garment bag now. I'm gonna keep the shoes on the outside. But I don't see why you couldn't get through with this as a carry-on. Check pocket here, its own pocket. If it fits my laptop, it's gonna fit any laptop. All right, we look good to go for tomorrow. Made it through security just fine with this bag. The only problem I did was I actually put in the tablet and left it in there, but they had to rescan it and that was it. But so far, it's a great bag. Pros and cons about the Tolaccea backpack bag. I will say the pros are that you have tons of places to store stuff. Very versatile. You can wear it as a backpack. You can use it as a bag. It attaches to a rolling suitcase. So this is the ultimate travel backpack. It's also great on day trips or just short overnighters like I used it on. Well built as well. The zippers are really structurally strong as well as the fabric and material. It's easy to clean too on the inside as well. Cons about the Tolaccea backpack bag. The only thing is you have to kind of get used to like where stuff is located. That's like my only con of the whole bag. In other words, you kind of have to like load it up and know what goes where, and there's a lot of different pockets on it. So it takes a little time to organize everything, but once you get a system going on, it's actually an excellent bag. It's probably the top travel overnight short business trip type bag I've ever owned. If you would like to purchase the Tolaccea large convertible garment duffel bag carry-on backpack, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.